common picture of 3 points. I was reminded about my first statement of Schopenhauer when I was in after school, +2, in Dr. R.N. Jha's presentation. The first statement of his that Schopenhauer, this popular statement of Schopenhauer, that about Upanishads, so popular in India, and so he is so well respected in India. So, well, then, as while introducing to me in the beginning of this section, the chair said that whether this bill is very much provocative. I have written a paper on the notion of provocation itself. So I'm supposed not to talk about provocation, but he said about the ambivalence of will. So well, I have written a paper of ambivalent will. Here I'm going to say that what is ambivalent will. I'm beginning with this. What is ambivalence of will? So ambivalence of will is very much done by Frederick Wiseman in his famous paper. And what is ambivalence of will is that the will is dichotomous. That is, in each instance of willing, there is a counter willing. So sometimes you feel that you do this, but then you feel that you don't do this. Sometimes you chalo kar lete hain, don't do this. So this is like this something that you try to do something, then you feel that not to do that. This is called ambivalence of will. But I'm not going to talk about ambivalence of will. What I'm going to emphasize on this in the beginning is that will basically here there is a famous distinction between voluntary will and involuntary will. I wanted not to do this. This happened, and then there is a voluntary kind of traditional distinction between these two, and there is different kinds of instances. For example, I will remember, I will deal, I will not think, I will revenge, I will start new life, I'll submit to my fate.